Hi, I'm Dave Bearing, Technical Director with TriStar Plastics, and welcome to Ask the Expert. This is a session where we talk about some of the questions that we get over the internet, through our website, and also through our blog. And today's question comes from John in San Jose, who asked, I have a Rulon bearing and want to replace it, but I'm not sure which Rulon it is. Can you help? The answer is sure, we can help. TriStar is the exclusive distributor of Rulon bearings and stock shapes for North America. So we have a great deal of experience with the Rulons, and we can certainly help identify the material that you have now. Really, the simplest way to start in the identification process is looking at the color. The three most predominant Rulons that are used for bearings are Rulon LR, which is a maroon color, Rulon J, which is a kind of a harvest gold color, and then finally Rulon 641, which is white. Those are the three most predominant materials. Now, they're certainly not the only ones. There's hundreds of Rulon materials. So the next best step for us to take with you as a customer is to identify more clearly what your application is. Just because the material you have is maroon doesn't necessarily mean it is Rulon LR. There are some other maroon Rulons. And the same holds true for the Rulon J and the Rulon 641. There are multiple number of materials that have similar color variations, so we need to be sure that we get the right one for you. So we do that by simply going through the process of identifying the usage with the 6 steps that we recommend in our website, which is, first of all, looking at the P values, the loads, then the V, which is the speed, the combination of those two, the PVs, then looking at the environment and the thermal conditions, both normal operating and also the plus and minus conditions that the bearing has to operate in. If you go to our website and look under the advanced search in our materials section, you will find in there an opportunity to fill out a bearing design sheet. And if you give us all that information, send it in to our engineering department, we can certainly help you then identify which Rulon is the most appropriate for your application. Please take a look at our video library. There are some specific videos on Rulon bearings, and then also take a look at our blog. We've got a white paper out there right now on why Rulon is different, and I think you'll find it interesting as to what the differences are of how Rulons are made versus all of the other similar materials on the market. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you on another Ask the Expert.